Somewhere out there, a version of you already exists. They wake up without an alarm. They check their account and feel calm, not anxious. They make decisions based on what they want, not what they can afford. They took a trip they always postponed. They helped someone they love without hesitating. They built something that works even when they don't. That person is your future self. And here's the thing nobody tells you. They're not waiting for a miracle. They're not smarter than you. They didn't win the lottery. They just made a handful of decisions, starting from exactly where you are right now. This video is the bridge between you and them. Let's build it. Your future self is already rich. Here's how to catch up to them. Here's a concept that will change how you think about money forever. Most people treat their financial future like a fantasy, something vague, distant, and a little unreal. Someday I'll have savings. Someday I'll invest. Someday things will be different. But neuroscience tells us something fascinating. When you vividly imagine your future self, when you make them feel real, specific, and close, your brain starts treating their goals as your own. You stop sacrificing the future for the present. You start making decisions for both of you at once. That shift in perspective is not motivational fluff. It's the foundation of every wealth-building behavior we're about to talk about. Your future self is already rich. Your only job is to close the gap. Step 1. Write a letter from your future self. This is where we start. And yes, I mean actually writing it. Grab a notebook or open a blank document. Set the date 5 or 10 years from now, and write a letter from your future self back to you today. Describe what your life looks like. Where do you live? What does a normal Tuesday feel like? What did you build? What did you stop worrying about? Make it specific. Make it emotional. Make it real. This exercise works because it forces your brain out of abstract thinking and into concrete visualization. Researchers at UCLA found that people who wrote detailed letters from their future selves made significantly better long-term financial decisions in the weeks that followed. Your future self has a voice. Give them the chance to speak. Action step. Tonight, set a 15-minute timer. Write that letter. Date it 10 years from now. Don't edit. Don't overthink. Just write what you hope to be true. And feel how possible it actually is. Step 2. Make one decision today that your future self will thank you for. Here's a simple but powerful question to carry with you every single day. Would my future self thank me for this decision? Not every decision. Not a complete life overhaul. Just one. Today. Cancel the subscription you forgot you had. Set up that automatic savings transfer you've been putting off for 6 months. Send the email to open that investment account. Read the first chapter of that book you bought and never opened. One decision, that's all. Because here's what nobody talks about. Wealth isn't built in dramatic moments. It's built in the small, boring, easily skippable moments that most people skip. The gap between your current self and your future self is made of thousands of these tiny decisions. Each one either closes the gap or widens it. Action step. Right now, before this video ends, identify one decision your future self will thank you for. Write it down. Do it today, not tomorrow, today. There is a force in the financial world so powerful that Albert Einstein reportedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. Compound interest. It works like this. When your money earns returns, those returns start earning returns too. Slowly at first, then faster still, until the growth becomes almost impossible to believe. $200 a month invested at 25 years old becomes roughly $700,000 by retirement at an average 8% annual return. The same $200 a month started at 40, just $150,000. Same habit, same discipline. A 15-year difference in start date costs over $500,000. This is why your future self needs you to act now. Not when you earn more, not when things settle down, not when the time feels right. Now. Compound interest doesn't wait, and it doesn't care about your excuses, but it absolutely rewards everyone who shows up early. Action step. Use a free compound interest calculator. Try the one at investor.gov and plug in your numbers. See what starting today versus starting in 3 years actually costs you. Let the math do the motivating. Step 4. Protect your future self from your present self. Let's be honest about something. Your present self and your future self are in constant competition. Your present self wants comfort, convenience, and instant satisfaction. Your future self needs patience, consistency, and delayed gratification. Left to its own devices, the present self wins almost every time. So the solution isn't willpower. Willpower is unreliable. The solution is architecture, designing your financial environment so the right choice is also the easy choice. Automate your savings so you never have to decide to save. Use separate accounts for separate goals so the money is mentally already spent. Unsubscribe from retail marketing emails so temptation arrives less often. Tell one person about your financial goal so accountability becomes part of the system. This isn't about becoming a different person. It's about building a structure that makes your current self act like the person you want to become. Action step. Identify one friction point in your financial life. One place where bad habits win easily, and remove it this week. Automate, separate, unsubscribe, or tell someone. One structural change beats 100 motivational speeches. Step 5. Invest in the asset that pays the highest return of all. Here's the investment your future self is most grateful for. Not stocks, not real estate, not crypto. You. Every dollar you invest in your own skills, knowledge, health, and relationships compounds just like money does, but faster and with no market crashes. A course that helps you earn $10,000 more per year is worth more than any stock pick. A book that shifts your mindset around money is worth more than a hot tip. An hour of exercise that keeps you productive and healthy into your 60s is worth more than most financial instruments. Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors of all time, has said that the best investment he ever made was in himself, in his education, in his skills, in the knowledge that no one could ever take away. Your future self isn't just financially rich. They're rich in capability, in health, in relationships. That version of you was built by intentional investment, starting now. Action step. Identify one skill that, if developed over the next 12 months, would meaningfully increase your income or your options. Commit to 1 hour a week. That's 52 hours of compounding capability by this time next year. Let's bring it home. Step 1. Write a letter from your future self. Make them real. Step 2. Make one decision today they'll thank you for. Step 3. Let compound interest work for you. Start now. Step 4. Build systems that protect your future self from your present self. Step 5. Invest in yourself. It pays the highest return of all. Your future self isn't a fantasy. They're a destination. And the road to get there is built one decision at a time, starting from exactly where you are, with exactly what you have. They're waiting, and they're rooting for you. 10 years from now, you'll look back at this moment. Maybe it'll be the moment you finally decided, the moment you stopped waiting for the right conditions and started building them. Or maybe it'll just be another video you watched and forgot. That choice, right now, belongs entirely to you. If this video planted something, share it with someone who needs it. Leave a comment telling me what your future self looks like. I read every single one. And if you want to go deeper, the next video breaks down exactly how to build your first investment portfolio from zero, step by step. Subscribe. Your future self will thank you. See you there.